Hello, this is Byron and Carrie, and we're at 382 Bearclaw Lane in Lewisburg, West Virginia, and we want to show you around this beautiful 3-bedroom, 2-bath home. So we will start outside. This property is situated on 2 acres. There is woodlands in front of the property and behind the property. There's Mr. Byron.
There's horses over there, I feel like, normally. So
There's some
pretty horses to look at.
Yeah, awesome. They have their barn right in front of us. So this is the drive. It is gravel. That is a workshop over there that's detached. It is fabulous. It can be a secondary garage as well. We'll of course show you that. And then that in front of us is the garage. And we'll head on up. This home is nicely situated up on a little knoll here, and you're got a good distance between you and your neighbors on both sides. So we'll head on in. This has a really nice wide porch with wood decking, and then it is wood sided and a nice tan color with cream trim. And we'll see this side too. It's beautifully landscaped. We'll head on inside. I'll step back so you can see the entryway. It has a tile floor here with a nice mosaic. And then when you walk in, I'll do a sweeping view so you can see it all. It is open concept. The living room, dining room has a vaulted ceiling, and then the kitchen has a lower ceiling that delineates it from the rest of it. This, of course, is the dining room. Has nice, all the windows in this home are really nice and tall, so you get a lot of light in. And this closet straight ahead is a coat closet. All right, I think I'll head this way and we'll tour around, and then we'll go to the extra bedrooms. So heading this direction, we're gonna head into the laundry room. This can be all one level living if you need it to be, minus the entry and exit points. Has nice storage features, and then of course the power boxes, which are necessary. And then we'll show them the garage. Yes, so this is the garage. It has a nice landing and stairs here, as you can see, and then it's concrete floors, and it is drywalled up part of the way. Can't talk there. It is a 2-car garage if you have smaller vehicles. And then that door right there is a storage closet with the hot water heater. Okay, we'll come back in. We're actually gonna go upstairs. They have this vaulted space. As we said in the beginning, it's 3 bedrooms, 2 bath, but this could potentially be used as a bedroom. There is a closet. Byron, what else could we use up here?
Yeah, as always, this would be my golf simulator room. And I think you're fine height-wise if you keep your club in the middle of the ceiling here.
Yep, but if you want a TV room, office.
For the kids. If you have kids, if you're not a single person that wants a golf simulator, you can have the kids come up here.
Yes, a good game room, TV room, library, home office.
Yeah, it'd be a great home office.
Workout room.
And it's right near the kitchen, so if you need snacks while you're working,
it's right here.
Pop it here.
I should mention there are hardwood floors throughout most of it. That room up there we just saw had carpet. They're beautiful hardwood floors. This is the primary bedroom. It's on the back of the home. This is a primary closet. They've removed the doors, but it does have the spots here, so if you wanted to add a door back. There's nice custom, this is custom wood shelving in here. The craftsmanship of the woodwork is just beautiful, and you'll see why when we go into the workshop. And you walk in, and then this is the primary closet. And this also has hardwood floors. Okay. We're scrolling around. And this is the primary bathroom. It has a nice wood vanity here, and it's stone-like countertop and sink. And it does have the medicine cabinet with the light there. It's painted in a creamy color to match the stone tile on the floor. You can see that. And then around the jacuzzi tub, there's a beadboard. It's a nice, deep, large jacuzzi tub that overlooks these windows that overlook the back and the side yard.
Yeah, I've never seen a jacuzzi tub at this shape.
Yeah, it's very neat.
Yeah.
And then this is the walk-in shower. It is tiled as well, and it has a nice built-in tiled seat. And then this is a floor pan. I'm having trouble with my words today.
It's because it's cold outside.
It's because it's cold.
My mouth is not working either.
So there we are. We will spin around here. You can see the bedroom again. This is ample, large enough for a king-size bed and a dresser, if that's the size bed you have. Next, we will go to the kitchen. Beautiful kitchen here. I love these stone countertops. They have, on the camera it might read as a green or a gray, but it has greens and taupes and grays. Just very different. Kind of goes with the wood vibe in the home. And then these cabinets go all the way up to the ceiling almost. Has the holder there for the microwave, and then the glass top range. I'll spin around here. This overlooks the backyard there and the sink. It's an inlaid double stainless steel sink. And the cabinets have all the features that you would like for the custom cabinets. Get all of that. Even the features like the built-in paper towel. Now we enter into the living room. It has this beautiful stone surround fireplace with the rustic wood mantle here. And then it is gas insert there. I'll scan the room going back this way. Nice open concept, but then there's also spaces to get away if you were to need some, being above the garage is one and then the workshop is the other. I just want to show you that arch. These are the two additional bedrooms. They do have a different style hardwood floor, and there are some life marks, as I call them, from where furniture might have been resting. So this could hold like queen size double bed, something like that. And then they have these nice large closets for a guest bedroom. This is a blue color. And we'll head into the guest bathroom. Look at this vanity. It is beautiful custom vanity there. And then it has a stone-like top, but it's solid surface, so it looks like stone, but it is not. And then there are tile floors that are stone look. This is a powdered blue color, if you're interested in that. Tub surround with shower. Okay, we'll head back into the third and final bedroom. It has the same floors as the other one, behind. This is looking over the front porch. And then it also has one of those large closets with all of the integrated storage. There's nice baseboard molding throughout. Okay, Byron, should we take them?
Yep.
Let's go out that way, I guess.
Okay. It's cold.
It is cold and windy, so sorry if you can't hear me. So when you come off, there is a pebbled concrete that has the pebbles in it. There's a nice dining area. And then they also have this garden. So we'll head this way. There is a stone surround or skirting around the base of the home. And then it has shingled roof, as you can see there. And over here is a beautiful gated, which we need in our area to keep the pests out, raised garden beds with garden shed that matches the home. And then we will head this way. So the backyard does slope towards the house on the back side, and then over to the left here, it's all wooded. So if you needed play space, the front yard is where most of the play space is. See, there's some nice landscaping. We're passing by the kitchen window there to get you a reference point. And the drive, and then that is the primary bathroom window, and then the garage there. So we will head into the woodworking shop, is what it is now. But it could be a whole number of things. So as you can see here, the homeowners are beautiful custom woodworking workers. So that's what it's currently used for. It could be a garage. It could be, oh my goodness, a number of things, depending on what you needed. Workout room, pickleball court. So as you can see, it's not finished. There is drywall on the ceiling. There is electrical radiant heating, and then it has the windows. Upstairs though is a nice room. Of course, there's no railing here, so you'd want to have that finished out if you were to have anyone younger up here. This is drywalled, and then this has the luxury vinyl flooring to look like wood. It's done very well.
That really looks like wood. I'm really impressed.
Yes. And then in here, it's a similar shaped room to above the garage, but if you were to work from home and wanted to have an office outside of your home, but at your home, of course, this would really be an ideal spot for you. A getaway. It does not have a bathroom, so you might consider adding a bathroom if you were to use it as a guest house, but that certainly could be an option as well. So let us know. It's for you.
Take care, guys.
Bye.